Welcome to our guide on generative AI in software engineering. Today, we are exploring how tools like GitHub Copilot are revolutionizing the way we write code. We will cover how these tools work, their practical applications, and the best practices for integrating them into your workflow. So, what exactly are AI coding assistants? Think of them as a virtual pair programmer that lives right inside your code editor. Unlike standard tools, these assistants can understand natural language, analyze the context of your project, and suggest entire blocks of code as you type. They are powered by massive AI models designed specifically for programming languages. These tools function using large language models, or LLMs. They have been trained on billions of lines of public code, learning the patterns and syntax of almost every programming language. When you work, the tool sends your current file and cursor position to the model, which then predicts the most likely next set of words or symbols to complete your code. The most immediate benefit is intelligent code completion. Instead of typing every character manually, the AI anticipates your intent. It can suggest variable names, logic flows, and even complex functions based on the lines you have just written. This significantly reduces repetitive typing and helps you maintain momentum. Another powerful feature is converting natural language into code. You can simply describe what you need in plain English, such as asking for a function to validate an email address. The AI interprets your request and instantly generates the correct syntax and logic to achieve that goal. We all encounter confusing or legacy code that is hard to understand. With AI tools, you can highlight a complex block of code and ask for an explanation. The assistant will break down the logic step by step in plain English, helping you understand how the function works without needing to decipher it manually. Writing unit tests and documentation are often considered chores. AI excels here by automatically generating comprehensive test cases for your functions. It can also write clear documentation and comments, ensuring your codebase remains maintainable without taking up your valuable time. The benefits of using these tools are substantial. Developers report coding up to 55% faster. Beyond speed, they are excellent learning tools, helping you master new languages by providing real-time examples. This allows you to focus less on syntax and more on solving the actual problem. However, it is important to be aware of the risks. AI can hallucinate, meaning it might generate code that looks correct but is logically flawed or uses non-existent libraries. You must also be careful with security. Never paste private keys or passwords into the chat. Always treat AI suggestions as a draft that you need to review. Looking ahead, the role of the developer is shifting from just writing code to architecting and reviewing it. AI is not here to replace you, but to handle the tedious parts of development. By embracing these tools, you can become a more efficient and effective software engineer. Start experimenting today to see the difference for yourself.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.